Embrace the darkness and wield the power of death. Welcome to Hela, Marvel Rivals, where the goddess of death reigns supreme. Join Hela, the ruler of hell, in this chilling adventure. Hela, the Asgardian goddess of death, wields supreme control over the fallen souls residing in hell. Hela is a powerful duelist hero in the Marvel Rivals game. As the ruler of hell, she wields supreme control over the fallen souls residing in her realm. With her haunting whispers and a murder of crows, she reaps the souls of her enemies without mercy. Let's see her deadly abilities. Nightsword Thorn is one of Hela's primary abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows her to throw Nightsword Thorns as a single cast direct hit attack. Each thorn deals 70 damage and has a fire rate of 2 shots per second. The ability has a critical hit capability, making it a powerful tool for dealing significant damage to enemies. However, the damage fall-off begins at 18 meters, decreasing to 70% at 30 meters. Nightsword Thorn is essential for Hela's long-range combat, allowing her to effectively take down enemies from a distance. Goddess of Death is Hela's ultimate ability in the Marvel Rivals game. When activated, Hela's body soars high into the air, and the view changes to a first-person perspective. During this time, she can throw Nastran crows from each hand at will. These crows explode on impact, dealing 125 damage in a 6-meter spherical radius. The ability lasts for 10 seconds, with a fire rate of 1.79 shots per second and a projectile speed of 80 meters per second. Hela gains a separate health bar of 1,000 points during this ability. Even if this health bar is depleted, she will not die but will instead revert to her normal form with the health she had before activating her ultimate. Astral Flock is one of Hela's abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows her to transform into a Nastran crow and glide forth in any direction. While in this form, Hela is completely immune to all damage and crowd control abilities, making it an excellent tool for escaping dangerous situations or repositioning on the battlefield. The ability has a cooldown of 12 seconds, a dash speed of 15 meters per second, and a dash distance of 18 meters. Hela can press the ability again to undo the transformation and return to her normal form. Soul Drainer is one of Hela's abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows her to project an explosive hell sphere that deals minimal damage but can briefly stun multiple enemies in a small radius. The ability deals 1 damage on impact and 40 damage within the spell field. The stun duration is 0.3 seconds, and the ability has a cooldown of 12 seconds. The projectile speed is 40 meters per second, and the range of the spell field is 3 meters in a spherical radius. Soul Drainer is particularly useful for interrupting enemy abilities and controlling the battlefield, making Hela a formidable opponent in combat. Piercing Knight is one of Hela's abilities in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows her to throw 4 blades that explode after a few seconds, dealing individual damage and creating a spell field upon impact. Each blade deals 20 damage on impact and an additional 25 damage within the spell field. The ability has a cooldown of 10 seconds and a projectile speed of 60 meters per second. Piercing Knight is particularly effective for dealing with groups of enemies and creating area of effect damage, making it a versatile tool in Hela's arsenal. Nastran Crowstorm is Hela's passive ability in the Marvel Rivals game. When Hela defeats an enemy, this ability generates a Nastran Crow that explodes after a duration, dealing 80 damage in a 5-meter spherical radius. The explosion occurs 1.8 seconds after the crow is generated. This passive ability adds an extra layer of damage to Hela's attacks, making her even more formidable on the battlefield. Hell's Descent is Hela's passive ability in the Marvel Rivals game. This ability allows her to fall slowly from heights, providing her with increased control and mobility during descents. While descending, her movement speed is 6 meters per second horizontally and 3.5 meters per second vertically. This ability enhances Hela's versatility and survivability, allowing her to navigate the battlefield more effectively and avoid taking fall damage. Queen of Hell is Hela's team-up ability in the Marvel Rivals game. When Hela is paired with Thor and/or Loki, this ability allows her to instantly revive them when she lands the final hit on an enemy. If Thor or Loki are already alive, they receive a small amount of bonus health instead. Additionally, Queen of Hell provides a team-up bonus damage of 20%, making this trio an unstoppable force on the battlefield.
I'm barely harmed.
Hela, Marvel Rivals isn't just about death, it's about strategy, skill, and teamwork. With breathtaking visuals, an intense storyline, and endlessly replayable missions, the Asgardian goddess of death, Hela, is a formidable sorceress commanding an endless army of undead warriors. Her ambition knows no bounds as she seeks to expand her dominion beyond the Nether realms, willing to strike any deal that furthers her goal. Hela will not rest until she commands all souls, both living and dead. In a bid to extend Hell's territory into the realm of the living, Hela offered her support to Loki's coup. However, her true intention is to seize Asgard's throne and the temporal power it holds for herself.
Stop them! Find that soul. The perfect hit! I want your soul. You stop them in their tracks.
Let me return the favor.
I unleash the Vishanti's power!
Double KO.
My back.
Our enemies are near.
Someone scratch my back.
Who could fight the goddess of hell?
Let me return the favor.
Better stop that vehicle.
Fantastic!
I am very
Ha-ha!
We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Shoot at us.
A great taste of hell.
Are you ready to embrace the darkness and join the fight? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gaming content.
Pierce this life.